Good morning, class. Today we are going to start off by taking a roll. All right, let's see on my list. Is Alex here?
Here.
Is Sarah here?
Here.
Is Grace here?
Here.
Is Alyssa here?
Here.
Is Justin here?
Is it?
Oh no. Is Eric here?
Is sick too? I think he got diarrhea.
Oh my goodness, I hope they get better soon.
I don't want it.
I wouldn't want it either. Now, guys, we're going to talk about something special today. Do you guys ever go at night and look at the stars?
Yeah, we do. I do.
Oh, Sarah, what do you see?
When I go camping, I get to see the night sky.
That's right, Sarah. When it is really dark and you're far away from the lights, you can see the stars. But guess what? You can also see something spectacular stretching across the sky. It will look like a thin, cloudy strip stretching across the sky. Some people say it looks like spilt milk. Well, today we are going to read a book called It Looks Like Spilt Milk. And in this book, you will see different shapes, okay? So let's look at this book. It's called It Looked Like Spilt Milk. Ooh. And it's by Charles G. Shaw. It looked like spilled milk, but it wasn't spilled milk. Oh my goodness, what could it be? Sometimes it looked like a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. Sometimes it looked like a tree, but it wasn't a tree. Sometimes it looked like an ice cream cone, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. Sometimes it looked like a pig, but it wasn't a pig. Oh my goodness, I wonder what it could be. Sometimes it looked like a birthday cake, but it wasn't a birthday cake. Sometimes it looked like a sheep, but it wasn't a sheep. Sometimes it looked like a great horned owl, but it wasn't a great horned owl. Oh my, I wonder what it could be. But sometimes it looked like a mitten, but it wasn't a mitten. Look at that mitten, it looks so cozy and soft. Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. So when you guys look at the sky at night, you will see clouds. In the day, you'll see clouds, but at night, you're going to see stars. And the way that the clouds and the stars connect is at daytime, sometimes when people look at the clouds, you will see shapes. Well, at night, there's stars. And in those stars, you can find constellation. And see right here in this picture right here, all these stars, is our Milky Way. So when you go at night, you can see those stars and they will make up constellations and shapes. Yes?
What is a galaxy?
Well, a galaxy is a massive group of dust and stars and star clusters, and that dust is pulled together by strong gravity. Our Earth is part of that galaxy. Well, yes, Sarah?
We live in a galaxy?
Well, yes, our sun and all the stars we can see in our night sky belong to a galaxy called the Milky Way. Oh, Yes, Alex.
How many stars are there in our galaxy?
Well, you see, Alex, in the Milky Way, it contains 1 to 400 billion stars. And that is a lot of stars because if you started counting right now, you would not get done for a long time. And there is at least that many planets, too. Yes, Sarah?
If we are part of the Milky Way Galaxy, how can we see it?
Well, you see, Sarah, the visible region of the Milky Way galaxy plane, which where the majority of the dish-shaped galaxy mass lies, we can only see parts of our galaxy, a thin little bit at a time. Kind of like when you go outside in your neighborhood, okay? And you look right and you left, you only see parts of your neighborhood at a time, okay? But with the help of a telescope called the Hubble telescope, we can see the galaxy and other galaxies too. Oh yes, Grace?
What does the Milky Way really look like?
Well, I am glad you asked. Let's see here. Let me get my picture. Well, you see, Grace, the Milky Way consists of a bar-shaped core and a region surrounded by a wrapped disk of gases and dust and stars, and a whirlpool shaped with numerous arms. Spiral arms spanning out from the center of the galaxy. See those arms? Yes.
Where is Earth located in the Milky Way?
Well, see, our Earth is located inside the galaxy disk. At the center of the Milky Way is one of the strangest and deadliest things in the universe, called a black hole. Yes, Grace?
A black hole? Are we going to get sucked in?
No, Grace, we are not going to get sucked in. We are lucky because Earth is located far away from the center, right about here. Anything that gets close to the center of the black hole, gravity will attract and pull it in. Yes?
Are there any other galaxies in the universe other than our galaxy?
Yes, there's other galaxies. There's another galaxy called the Andromeda Galaxy. And it is about 2.5 million light years away from our galaxy. One day, these two galaxies will come close enough together that they will collide. But this will not happen for billions of years from now. But you know what? It's okay, because we probably won't be here when that happens. So today, for our project, we are going to paint the Milky Way.
I love painting. I love painting.
I'm so glad. I am so excited that you guys are so excited about the Milky Way. And when you get home, I want you to see it. You sometimes, even with binoculars, you can see the Milky Way. So when you go home today, I want you to get your binoculars and look at the stars and see if you can see the Milky Way, okay?
Okay.